rags and the bones of life, lifting each piece to the cold dawn light. Under the dust found the final word, said, peace be with you. Here as the light slowly turns to gold, here as I wait the peace unfolds, here at the end of all hope the word speaks, peace be with you. All my store had fallen to rust and to thieves. Nothing remained I could say.